I'm just gonna look. I'm just gonna look. I'm just gonna look. 30% off these gorgeous beauties. Okay, I didn't just look. Good morning, everybody, and blessed Yuletide blessings. It's officially the first day of winter. Woo! Mama Blaze and I are getting ready to go out to the food store, the supermarket, to get some baking supplies that we are going to do for our Christmas Eve little cocktail party, our little party that we do with foods and baking goods and platters and whatnot that we do every Christmas Eve. I'm going to bake some cookies and I think cupcakes, and if I have time, maybe some brownies, but I think just basically the cookies and cupcakes. So, festive cupcakes. Yay, yay, yay. Like how I did the Halloween cupcakes, I'm going to try to do some Christmas cupcakes. OOTD, I'm wearing this Boyfriend's hoodie. That's, I think, the name of the company. It's really cute. I really like it. I cut up this thermal shirt, mustardy shirt from Walmart, stupidly, and I'm wearing some black leggings, just some plain black leggings that I also got from Walmart. A little bit chilly out, so I'm keeping nice and warm and cozy. You? Happy holidays.
Yeah,
There you go. There we go. Merry Christmas. We need some grape tomatoes. Need to get some cucumbers. Oh no, no cucumbers. Have the Valentine's Day stuff out. Oh my god. I snuck away from Mama Blaze all stealthy, and I am so sneaky because I got her another stocking stuffer, but she doesn't know that yet. Okay, baking stuff. We are absolutely doing this for the brownies. Queen. I get some vanilla cake mix and this. Queen. And some Toll House semi-sweet chocolate chips for the brownies. The simple truth will be better. Some fat-free milk, unsalted butter, and some eggy poos. So far, we are done doing good. Here's a tip if you're trying to save money when you're going grocery shopping. Get generic brand or the brand from the store. It tastes exactly the same, sometimes even better. I know that this is not news, but seriously, that's what my family has done our entire lives. And it just tastes the same, or like I said, sometimes it even tastes much better than the name brand. Let's see what Christmassy stuff they still have. Oh, cute blankets. Why is there a robo-alive spider here? Look at these sweet gnomes. Oh, what do they do? What do they do? Try me? I will try you, bitch. Nothing. Oh, that lights up. That's so cute. This one's holding a really pretty lantern. Aw, got lots of creepy nutcrackers because they have no faces. Very pretty tree. I got a C. Marie. Oh my god. It's only $4.99 and I think I need to get it for my sister. Oh my god, they also have the Cheshire Cat. I want to get a better looking one. Oh my god. I'm getting this for me. Pretty. Oh, look at this cool guy. Look at him. I just passed by a guy working here and he was like, hello. I said, happy holidays. And he's like, no, Merry Christmas. I was like, all right. No need to be rude. I was being polite, dude. She's got dumped like a truck. Sounds like what? Baby, move your butt. And now I'm in Dollar Tree to pick up some baking sheets and pans because they're cheaper here. Okay, we got some sticker sheets. These will do. These are the only brownie pans. They're really kind of small, so I'm gonna have to get a couple to make 2 things of brownies. Let's get some platter displays. Napkin. I'm gonna get this to go in my father's stocking. And we need more wrapping paper. Ooh, this is pretty. And the little polar bears. That's cute. I can't decide whether the polar bears or the snowmen. I think we're gonna do polar bears. Oh wait, this design is really pretty. I think we're gonna do that instead. You know what? Let's do just all 3 of them. All 3 of them. All right. Thank you. And of course, now Starbies. We are Starbies Barbies. Now, Mama Blaze, Sister Blaze, and I are gonna sit down and watch Pee-wee's Playhouse Christmas special because we do that every year. Me and my sister do, but Mama Blaze is gonna join us this year, and we're gonna drink our Starbucks and chill and relax before more hectic stuff we have to do. This is a longer door than usual. Let's see what we get for you all. Ooh, we get a quartz, a clear quartz, but it's like in a sphere. Not a sphere. Like a spear. Dexter, can you not eat my calendar, please? You have your own calendar you can eat. Hey, bad boy. I'm talking to you. Putting my Yule paper in the tree. I got this from Mason for Christmas, but Dexter seems way more interested in it. Yeah. Oh, now there you go. Ready? Ready, Dex? 1, 2, 3. So yesterday when we went to the postal annex, I had Mama Blaze go to the car because I didn't want her to see that I got her a stocking stuffer, a $15.99 stocking stuffer. I was like, this place is so overpriced, but whatever. I got her this sterling silver bracelet that says brave, bold, and fearless because that is my mother in 3 words. I mean, there's many more words that are her, but she got me a bracelet that is very similar like that years ago, but I really liked it, and I bought it for her for a little stocking stuffer. And while we were there were some of these TY Beanie Babies and everything like that. She got like this little tiny one for herself. She also was like talking to me. She's like, Blaze, she was like, look, there's like a little Rottweiler one. I didn't even know my mom liked dogs, let alone Rottweilers. She was pointing out that one, and I was just like, okay, you know, whatever. Then we went to King Soopers, the grocery store, as you saw. And I was just gonna get her like a little keychain TY Beanie Baby. And I was like, I saw like an owl and I was like, oh, perfect. My mom loves owls. But I saw the same Rottweiler one that she had, that was like gooing and goshing over there, gooing, ew. So when I was picking up all my stuff, I went to self-checkout, picked up that and stuffed it in my purse so she would not see. That is another stocking stuffer that I picked up for her last minute stocking stuffers. I really hope she appreciates it. Mama Blaze has gotten so many plushies and stuffed animals this year for Christmas and the holidays, and she is loving it. I'm gonna love it more. I know she is. Looking at some lights with Mama Blaze this time. Not as many, but we got a couple of roads near and far. Aww. We're at Safeway now, picking up last minute stuff for the party tomorrow. Getting this from Mama Blaze for a little stocking stuffer as well. Look at how long the line is. Oh my god. We couldn't have picked a worse day to go shopping. Yummy, delicious foods. I'm just gonna look. 30% off these gorgeous beauties. Holy hell, are you kidding me? What? 30% off these ones too? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I didn't just look. I got another Christmas present. I'm back at self-checkout because I found something else from Mama Blaze. And still, look at the line. So as you saw, I got this gift card from Mama Blaze. I'm going to put this in her stocking. It's for a little girl's night so we can have some drinks and watch a movie. That's our favorite thing to do. And I got her this gift card, and I got this separately. I thought it was the prettiest one they had. It's for Build-A-Bear, so she can go in, or we can order online whatever new little outfit or accessory she wants for her Build-A-Bear next. Let's go to her stocking and put, get in there, get in there, get in there. This is her Build-A-Bear bag. I guess I'll put that down in there. That's perfect. While we went to Safeway, one of the main reasons we went to Safeway besides to get food for the little party tonight was because we wanted to do some donating. Now we do donating and charity every single year, but they had the Care and Share donation big bin, so we got together some bunch of foods that we don't eat, we bought and we don't eat, and they weren't expired or anything, so we wanted to donate. And it's so hard to find donation centers and shelters and everything around here, so we wanted to do our best. Here's some footage of it. I just wanted to inspire you guys to, not just for Christmas, but for all year round, to be charitable and donate and to give to those less fortunate and just be a good person all around, even if it's $1 or it just be a good person. That's all I'm asking. I know this was not like bragging, like, look what I'm doing, I'm being a good person. No, it's just to help inspire you. And I know you all are good people out there, so thank you for being a good person. By the way, this is the Starbucks cup I chose. So pretty. Oh my goddess. Like, look at this. Look. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Gorgeous being. Like, I am shook. So her name, her name is Ziggy Stardust. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wrapping some gifts with Mama Blaze, and we are watching Meet Me in St. Louis. Also in the background. Classic. We love Judy Garland. Much better headphones that I got from my father than those other cheaper ones. And the last thing I'm going to do for the night, I'm going to make my cucumber and tomato salad that I do every single year. It's very simple and easy to do. I have been doing it for years. The whole entire family loves it and I love it. If you've been with me for years, you guys have seen me make this salad. We got a smaller bowl today because we have not enough refrigerator room, so I had to get a smaller bowl for it. So I'm not going to be able to make as much as I usually do. So we got 2 things of grape tomatoes. I might not be able to use all of them, maybe so. We got 2 cucumbers, but I only cut up 1 because I think that's all I'm going to be able to do. If I can make another half, I'll do that, but that's what we got. Then we got the Newman's Own light balsamic vinaigrette. We got some pepper, some black pepper, and I'm only going to do the tiniest dash of salt because Mama Blaze is on a salt-free diet at the moment. So I'm just going to put like the tiniest little sprinkle. So come along and I'll speed up me making my salad. So stupid, I forgot a key ingredient is red onions. I mean, you can use white onions, whatever, but I prefer red onions. So this goes into diced red onions. Okay, I think we have enough room for half of more of a cucumber. Yes, I think we do, Dex. Okay, so now we are going to put the dressing on right here. We're gonna start putting some dressing on right here. That's good. And we're gonna put some black pepper on. Usually I would put oregano on, but I searched my spice cabinet far and wide and I cannot find it. I don't know what the hell happened. And like I said, I'm just gonna do a pinch of salt because I don't want my mom to cheat on her salt diet because she's been doing so good. And then we're just going to mix everything nicely. This was the only utensil I could find. I wish I could find my other mixing up utensil, but this will work. Just needs to work a little slower. That's all. We got to be a little bit more careful. And after this, we'll put a little tiny drip more dressing in, but not a lot because we made a smaller amount. So, oh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. I can't wait for it to marinate a little bit and I can have some tomorrow. This is how everything came out. It looks super, super yummy. I cannot wait for tomorrow to dig into some of this, a healthier snack than we have. I mean, we have vegetable platter and fruit platter, but I'm also going to be baking a ton tomorrow. So it'll be nice to have something on the healthier side. Okay, I'm going to end this vlog here, guys, with Chesh and Kevin. Hi, guys. This video won't be out until after Christmas, maybe on Christmas. I'm not entirely sure. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas if you celebrate. I hope you're eating lots of yummy foods and spending time with the ones you love if you can. And if not, love yourself. Know that I love you and I appreciate you, every single one of you. So big stressful day tomorrow because I got a lot of baking to do. I got to do a get ready with me video. And there's a lot I got to talk about. I got a whole bunch of notes to go through. Got a little cocktail party to do. So we got some stuff to vlog tomorrow. So you will be seeing all of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so very much. I really, really do. I appreciate you and love you guys so much. And until next time, my beautiful ones. Stay healthy and happy, or at least as healthy and happy as you can be, especially during the holiday season when I know that it's harder to stay healthy and happy. And stay wicked. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.